Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about the Pro feature of automated emails. Now this is a great feature to have if you do decide you need to upgrade to the Pro version. What it does, it has automatic emails that send out to your customers. So this could be anything from, hey, you've brought a product, great, thanks very much, confirmation. It could be your product's on the way, all those kind of things, which are really handy and really easy to set up once you've got the Pro version. Now to get to that Pro version feature, start from the Ecwid dashboard and we go down to, on the left hand side, we go down to settings and we go over to mail. Now from here, these are enabled and they, at the moment, they automatically send out, but it's all automated. You can't edit it or anything like that. So you get your order confirmation, your stats change, all of these that are here. But in the Pro version, you can edit them. So you can do whatever you like in the Pro version. So if we click on edit, now it'll say here that you need to upgrade to enable this template, but it means that you can go through and you can change what it says, the look, the feel, what's in it, everything like that, which is really, really handy if you want to customize it. So it's not just a generic order confirmation template, it's your own one. But you only get that feature in the Pro version. And that's it to do with the Pro version templates. Now, if you do decide to get the upgraded version of the Pro Ecwid, there is tons of features which are really, really cool once you upgrade them. This is just one of them. There are heaps and heaps more. If you guys want me to cover that, let me know and I will make some more videos to add to this.